So I went here my junior and senior year of high school in the machining engineering technology program. I'm currently a mechanical design engineer at Milwaukee Tool.
I attended here my junior and senior year of high school, working in the manufacturing engineering technology class. I am a structural design engineer, designing bridges at Alfred Benish and Company in East Lansing, Michigan, and I'll be moving out to their Denver, Colorado office after I graduate with my master's degree in the spring. The Muskegon Career Tech Center was a first introduction for me into the engineering process.
I would say it definitely opened my eyes to working with my hands and just the whole engineering process. I had the opportunity to work with blueprints that I created, other people had created, and then be able to take those blueprints and machine them out in the shop.
The project that stood out to me the most was the Peyton project, which was kind of my first introduction into working as an engineering team, where we were actually given a problem to solve, and we were responsible for most of the design, manufacturing, and installation for a student in the Montague Public Schools district, just improving her learning experience in the classroom due to some disabilities that she had. So that was really very powerful experience, being able to help somebody in that way, but also being able to work as an engineering team, creating those interpersonal skills, communication skills while solving a problem like that.
You give it a shot. You get to do a lot of stuff with your hands and to meet some people outside of the school, so it's a great opportunity.